Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce a software program called Intelli-Studio from Samsung. This is a built-in program which allows you to easily edit your video that's been recorded using Samsung camcorders. First, let's connect the camcorder to the computer using the USB cable. Since Intelli-Studio is a built-in program, you do not have to go through the inconvenient installation process. Just by connecting the Samsung camcorder to a computer, Intelli-Studio will be installed and started automatically. Then the video clips in the camcorder will be transferred to your PC. You will be able to find all of these transferred videos under Library. Under Edit, you can easily manipulate the recorded videos. Let's take a look at the functionalities that you could use. Movie effect. There are many effects you could add to a video, as you can see. Fine-tuning. You can tune the overall color tone of the video. Transition effect. You can also add these effects to smoothly transit from one video to another. Insert empty image. This allows you to add colored screen in between the clips like this. Insert text. You can also add text like this. Insert sound. Inserting sound or music to the video clip would also be a great addition. Using all of the above functionalities, your video can amazingly transform, like this. Once your editing job is done, you can save the video as an MP4 or WMV format file. You can also upload your videos directly to your YouTube channel through Intelli-Studio, just by clicking on Share button. So what do you say? Using Intelli-Studios, you can record, edit, and share your videos like a professional editor. Well, that's all I've got today. Hope you guys enjoy editing your videos using Intelli-Studio.